University of the West Indies proposal goes horribly wrong. Good evening, and thanks for joining me on Up to the Time News. A special welcome to the people them only on youtube.com/TheDuttyBerryShow. I'm Archi here Gordon. But before the break, here's the feedback question. Are you a banga mana 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 mana? Or a jenna 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 jenna? Share your comments online.
So there's what that you have. Marva, it is nothing but the brand new Roquefort tomato ketchup. For every single body in the family. Roquefort tomato ketchup. Cause like this you have to dry for when your food out for dry.
Welcome back. A university student, Damian Pinkwood, is facing major embarrassment after his girlfriend declined his proposal at the university campus last week. I must warn you, the video you're about to see contains graphic content. Viewer discretion is advised.
Sir, go on the already now.
Absolutely tragic. Joining us now on location is our senior railway reporter, Dirty Berry. Are you there, Dirty? Can you hear me?
So I must die and I understand the truck for me come out to contact about two people them. I can't buy them, I swear. You must win because one somebody can't fool so. Box cover! So anyway, 22-year-old humanities, now the son at 22-year-old humanities student Damian Pinkwood was left feeling quite bad after his girlfriend left him turning down his proposal. What? Me hear say the brother feel bad, him feel like he want ball, him feel like a grasmite, a sallybug, him feel like a big lump of overnight dodo. So right now I'm just going to go and talk to him and talk to her as well to hear them thoughts. Follow back on me.
So, Damian, why did you think it was a good idea for you to propose to your girlfriend at that time?
What do you mean? Dirty Berry, let me tell you something, alright? So, my girlfriend, me and her days, about 5 years, 6, 7, long time, alright? Long time a day, long time I look her, you know what I mean? Then she come and she, you know, we day. And, brother man, I tell you, she owed me. You know the song, Owed Me?
Yeah.
She owed me, alright? With the grip.
Oh.
The grip. So I said to myself, maybe I should just put a wedding ring on her.
Yeah.
So it was about 4th or 5th period of math.
Yeah.
I came out and I said to myself, there her, I'm gonna put it on her.
Yes.
I went down, take a man out to go to the wedding. So I went down and I got on my knees and I gave her the ring. Brother man, she just, that's how it goes.
So, Kadean,
Hi.
I hear that you are a US student. Why you decide so you needed to react to the young man that way?
Me, look here, you can propose to somebody where you don't there with. No, talk the truth. Me and him don't there, right? A years he must stalk me. Me not even understand how him come for propose. It's a boy where don't have no money. Him don't have no money. I'm mad at sending money for pay him student loan and him music a buy ring. For girl what him doing there with. Me don't understand. I don't know him must stalk me.
So how you deal with the people them that tell you say you're an evil woman and you're wicked and you
Same thing, he must stalk me.
Alright, so Damian, how did you hear that the proposal went viral?
Dirty Berry, let me tell you something, right?
Yeah.
So you know, I was home one time, alright? I did it on my computer also. Come here, listen some something.
Yeah, hold it together.
I try. I buy one shoes, come do one spoil myself a little bit. Wheezy, something like that.
A what?
Wheezy.
A Yeezy, it's Yeezy. That's a Kanye thing, Yeezy.
Yeezy. So, I tell you, no. The thing is, my grandmother called me and she say, you know, cause she did, I tell everybody know about it something, so.
Yeah.
But then, them call me and them say it's viral, and I check the computer.
Were you aware at the time what viral was?
No, I'm thinking, like infection, some of them never really.
Okay.
But, and that's the problem, you know. Dirty Berry, let me tell you something.
What was the problem?
My pasta, my book chapel.
Wow.
One cake make, everything, I don't know for done. So I'm just keep on partying now.
So how you feel? How you feeling on the
Feel
public
bad.
thinking that you're a waste man and that you're a punk?
It's very hard, because I can't go nowhere without nobody say, I'm the idiot to go up on the knee for the girl. It make me feel bad. If me no, I got dirty.
Can somebody get this man a tissue?
Dirty.
Anyone on set?
Somebody. Thanks.
So if you could change how you responded to the youth, would you?
No, the only thing would have changed about him is saying broke. right? We don't him not have a card, it's a smart card. I don't want a smart card, I want a credit card. Where am I go with that? You understand? And you know the worst part about it is one conversation me and him ever have.
Yeah.
And it's the other day when me I walk across campus, I'm grabbing Pam and I'm have to grip him and say, hello, what you do?
So you're saying you fully don't have a relationship?
Never, sir.
The interview there, shell. Well, that's it, I guess. All.
Good evening. So now that I have you guys together, do you think that there's any possibility that you could potentially, you know, get back together?
Get back together whenever they're together?
With a long time.
What?
Excuse me? Come here, honey.
Look here. You need to stop it. I'm going to call the police team.
I think this looks
I've
like
gotten
Let me tell you
a
something.
restraining
Honey,
order on him.
honey, come here. Never mind. You come. All right? With a long time.